happy and cheerful morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine at home and taking care of your health. So, today we will study social studies. Now in SST, what were we doing? We were studying chapter number 13, that is Delhi. So what we studied? In the previous class, we have studied about the history, about the famous offices in Delhi, and we were studying about the tourist places in Delhi. So today we will continue with the tourist places. And do you know, Delhi is also famous for the temples and mosques. Okay? बहुत सारे beautiful temples और mosques हैं दिल्ली में, which is famous worldwide. And one of it you have studied in general knowledge. Do you remember Akshardham? हमने general knowledge में Akshardham temple के बारे में पढ़ा था. So that is also situated in Delhi. So today we will learn about the temples, about the different festivals celebrated, and much more. So let us begin.
Delhi has some well-known religious places that attract Indians as well as tourists from all over the world. The Birla Mandir, Gurdwara Bangla Sahib, Jama Masjid, St. James Church, Lotus Temple and the Akshardham Temple further add to the beauty of the capital. India has many stadiums like Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, the Indira Gandhi Stadium, and the Talkatoora Stadium. Important sporting events are held here. The city of Delhi successfully hosted the Commonwealth Games in 2010.
Okay, so now we learnt about the stadiums. Now as we know कि stadiums में कितने सारे festivals होते हैं, that is the sports festivals, and many games are organized. Different types of sports events are organized, and one of the famous and most important sports event, that is the Commonwealth Games, was organized in 2010 in the city of Delhi. See how beautiful it's looking? So, what happens over here? In the inauguration ceremony, there is a cultural program, and this is the picture showing the cultural program, जिसमें different type के India के dances present होते हैं. Why? Because many players come from different parts of the world. बहुत सारी countries के players आते हैं and वो अपनी country को represent करते हैं. So, our country welcomed them in the Indian way. So, this is the stadium in which the Commonwealth Games were organized. And there are many other stadiums like the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, the Indira Gandhi Stadium. So, all these are very famous, and many matches of cricket and so many games are organized every year. Even the IPL is also organized in Delhi. So, isn't it new for you all कि Delhi कितना बड़ा है? It's a very well developed city, and now we will learn more.
Well-developed modern roads, bridges and flyovers have made Delhi a modern and comfortable city to live in. It is a well-connected city, and the Delhi Metro provides a fast and cheap means of transport to the people.
Okay, so as I was telling, that Delhi is a very well-developed city. So there are beautiful roads and highways and bridges that makes the life comfortable. And one more convenient thing, that is the metros. Metro is there in Delhi. So as we all know कि metro में क्या होता है, हम easily एक place से दूसरी place जा सकते हैं, है ना? But it is for local area. Like Delhi बहुत बड़ा है, सो उसमें बहुत सारे अलग अलग एरियाज़ हैं, जैसे न्यू दिल्ली, ओल्ड दिल्ली, मेरठ, नोएडा, ग्रेटर नोएडा, गाजियाबाद, etc. There are so many places in Delhi. So this is why metros are made in Delhi so that people can travel every day and in a cheap cost, in a very cheap way. Why? Because metro के prices बहुत low होते हैं, so आप regular में भी travel कर सकते हैं. So there are many people who travel regularly through metro. वो अपने offices, schools, colleges metro से जाते हैं. Okay?
In Delhi, on festivals like Holi, Diwali, Eid, Dashera, Nowruz, Easter, Christmas, Gurupad, Pongal, and Sankranti are celebrated with joy. Men normally wear trousers and shirts, and women wear sari, salwar kameez, or western dresses.
So now we are discussing about the festivals celebrated in Delhi. Now as you saw, there were so many festivals: Diwali, Holi, Eid, Christmas, Guru Purab. Why? आपने क्या नोटिस किया कि अलग अलग रिलीजियंस के फेस्टिवल्स यहाँ पे सेलिब्रेट होते हैं? Because it is a modern city and it has so many opportunities, so people of different cultures come and settle over here. बहुत सारे different caste और religions के लोग दिल्ली में रहते हैं and that is why they live unitedly. And जब अलग अलग cultures के लोग रहेंगे, so सारे festivals celebrate होंगे, isn't it? So this is why so many festivals are celebrated in Delhi. And if we talk about the clothes, men normally wear trousers and shirts and women wear sari, salwar kameez and western clothes. So all types of clothes you can find, that is यहाँ पे जो है आपको population हर type के कपड़ों में मिलेगी. That is some wear saris, some wear salwar kameez and suits, and some wear western dresses also. Okay?
In Delhi, you meet people of different states, as it is famous for job opportunities and education. As a result, we come across many cultures of different states of India and also of other countries. They may speak different languages and celebrate their festivals, but they love this lively city. Therefore, Delhi can be called a mini India.
So, what he said, Delhi can be called a mini India. Why a mini India? Because, as I told you before, that it is a modern and advanced cities. There are various opportunities for employment, that is job के लिए बहुत सारी opportunities हैं, as well as for education. There are different famous colleges and universities for which people from different states of India come to Delhi. So क्या होता है, जब आपको पता है even in Mumbai जो बहुत अच्छी cities होती हैं, वहाँ पे जनरली हमें अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिलती हैं जॉब की, ऑफिसेस की एंड एजुकेशन की भी. सो यहाँ पे भी बहुत अच्छे कॉलेजेस हैं फॉर विच स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया कम टू दिल्ली एंड दे फॉलो डिफरेंट रिलीजियंस एंड कल्चर एंड दिस इज़ वाई दिल्ली इज़ नोन एज व्हाट? Delhi is known as mini India. So this is important. This line, Delhi is known as mini India. If I ask you to explain this line, so what will you write? That बहुत सारी opportunities हैं, फिर different religions और caste के लोग हैं, and different festivals are celebrated. So all this you have to describe in this answer. So with this we have come to the end of the chapter. I hope it's clear to you. Now we'll do some exercise.
Take the correct answer.
Where do you find the Prime Minister's office? So we had studied about it that हमें Prime Minister का office कहाँ पे मिलेगा? Okay? So there are options: South Block, East Block, North Block and West Block. So think about it कि कौन से ब्लॉक में प्राइम मिनिस्टर का ऑफिस है? Yes, South Block.
Good work.
What happens at the Red Fort on 15th August? 15th August को Independence Day था, है ना? So every year we celebrate Independence Day. Now what happens at this day on the Red Fort? The Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag. The President of India hoists the national flag. The Chief Minister hoists the national flag, or all of these. So, national flag कौन hoist करता है on 15th August? It is the Prime Minister.
Good work.
Okay, now moving on to the next exercise is the match the following. Now, this is the column A and this is the column B. So, what you have to do? You have to match it for the correct answer. So, read the first ones carefully. Hot and dry winds that blow from April to June. Now, as we all know, April to June क्या होता है? Summer season होता है and hot winds blow. Now, we use some word for that. What was the word? Look at the options. India Gate, Shantivan, Rajghat, or is it Loo? What is it? It is Loo. So I'll join it.
Good work.
Now, in the same way, Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi ji. So, Mahatma Gandhi ji की समाधि इन तीन ऑप्शंस में से कौन सा है? Is it India Gate? Is it Shantivan? Or is it Rajghat? Which is it? It is Raj. Next one is Memorial of Jawaharlal Nehru. So where is it? There are two options, that is India Gate and Shantivan. So come on, quickly think. Memorial कहाँ था जवाहरलाल नेहरू का? It was at the Shantivan.
Good work.
Okay? And the last one is Amar Jawan Jyoti. And we have only one option, and that is India Gate. So we will match with it. India Gate में हमें Amar Jawan Jyoti मिलेगा. Okay? So I hope it is clear to all of you. This was it. We have finished the chapter and we will do the reading part in the next video. So God bless you all. Have a nice day.